का हिसाब
hollow nationalism, not speaking about jobs, and calling Mehbooba Mufti a friend of the Congress while she was in fact running a government with the BJP. Respond to that and more. Sambit Patra.
See, Mehbooba Mufti ran a government with the Congress as well in 2002, if I'm right. I mean, remember when she was with us and when they realized that we are going to scrap Article 370, she went back. And today, in fact, she was saying कि उस जिन को निकालने की कोशिश की थी, हम तो जल गए, बर्बाद हो गए हम बीजेपी के साथ में, because BJP ने Article 370 हटा दिया. And today, in fact, the Congress party, you know, the ones who have no, no substance, they shout you down, they try to shout you down. I have the substance in me, and I am asking a direct question whether you want Article 370 back or whether you want to do away with Article 370. I mean, the question that the Congress party is raising over here is about consensus. That means the Congress party wants that as far as the consensus is concerned, we should hear to Mr. Farooq Abdullah, we should heed to what Ms. Mufti is saying, and we should bring back Article 370. Agar Cheen ke sahayata se bhi, even if at the cost of help of China, we should bring back Article 370. Is this consensus, or is this blasphemy as far as India is concerned? Is this consensus,
Rahul,
or is this treachery?
So,
is my question.
Pawan Khera, you
exactly
said that you answered the question very clearly,
Rahul,
but in fact you didn't, because the question was, will Article 370 be brought back? You spoke about consensus.
I want to ask Sambit Patra a direct question. When will highway number 70 be completed in Bihar? ये 370 बिहार में मत लाइए, यहाँ हाईवे नंबर 70 का बताइए. जॉब्स कितनी देंगे, कैसे देंगे, जवाब दीजिए. कितने कारखाने आपने लगाए पिछले 15 साल में, जवाब दीजिए. कितने अस्पताल बनाए बिहार में, जवाब दीजिए. कितनी नई सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज बिहार में लगाई, जवाब दीजिए. ये कहां यहां वहां भटका रहे हैं? आइए बिहार में लौट कर आइए. चुनाव यहां का है, जब जम्मू कश्मीर का चुनाव होगा वहां बात कर लेंगे आपसे.
Sambit,
डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है, बताइए हाईवे नंबर 70 बिहार कहां से कहां तक जाता है, बताइए.
let him speak, please. Sambit Patra.
Rahul, just a
बताइए
second.
ना. अरे यार राहुल
Pawan Khera, please calm down. Pawan Khera, one second, gentlemen. No, sorry. One second. Pawan Khera, I'm hoping that we can have a civilized, sensible conversation. You've asked a question. Dr. Patra will respond to that. I will not let this degenerate to the level of a banana republic.
Give me one uncivilized word that I use.
No, I'm saying calm down. You've asked a question. Now let him respond.
Give me one uncivilized word that I use.
Don't heckle him. You've asked a question.
Rahul,
let him answer.
That,
okay.
Rahul,
Turn it down.
I request you
Let him respond.
that let's not have a jungle. Yeah. My sincere request is let's not have a jungle Raj debate. I mean, we should have a Sushasan debate. We should have a debate in which we can easily speak, not shout over each other. Number one, see, first and foremost, Pawan Khera refused to answer.
Okay, Pawan Khera, this is not right. Okay, Pawan Khera, 1, 2, 3, your fader goes down. You've asked a question. Sambit Patra is responding to it. Please have the patience to listen to what he says. Dr. Patra.
I will answer Pawan's questions first. Let me give you the broad outlines as to what was the difference between those 15 years and these 15 years that we are talking about. Those 15 years versus these 15 years. Budget ka aakar, budget kitna bada tha, how huge was the budget? 23,855 crore then, 2,11,751 crore now. GDP 3.19% then to 11.3% now. Krishi Vikas Dar 2.35% then, and now the agriculture growth rate is 8.50% in Bihar. Prati Vyakti Aay per capita income, then it was 8,000 rupees to 43,822 rupees. Bijli ki uplabdhata, the availability of electricity in Bihar then during Lalu's regime was 22%, now it is 100%. Pakki Sadak, he was talking about Sadak, he was talking about rural roads, etc. 34% availability then, now it is 96%. Gair Krishi Vikas Dar 3.9% then, now it is 12.2%. Punjikat Vray 3,340 crore then, 21,058 crore now. Rajkoshiya Ghata, the deficit, revenue deficit was 6.2% then, now 2.7%. Industrial growth rate then was 0.7%, now 17%.
Okay.
So I have given a comparative data. My question to him is, will you bring back Article 370 or you denounce Article 370 and what Mr. P. Chidambaram has said? Do you denounce Mr. P. Chidambaram, Farooq Abdullah and Mufti Mohammed is my direct question. Now you please answer.
Mr. Khera.
We will discuss 370 ad nauseum when it comes to the elections in Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. Let's come back to Bihar. 80,000 crore per year is surrendered in your budget. So you give me high आंकड़ाs of budget, उससे इतना बढ़ गया, पूरी कंट्री में हर स्टेट का बढ़ा है. Nothing to do with you. 1.5% contribution to employment by industry. Number of industries that have closed down versus number of industries that have opened. Number of industries that have opened, 0. Number of industries that have shut shop, 126. Number of hospitals, 0. 15 years. आज वो उद्योग बंद हो रहे हैं जो हमारे वक्त खुले थे, आज आपके वक्त बंद हो गए हैं.